Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about microplastics and how they affect human health. Microplastics are tiny plastic pieces. They are smaller than 5 millimeters. That's about the size of a sesame seed, or even smaller. Some microplastics are so tiny, we cannot see them with our eyes. Where do microplastics come from? They come from many sources. When plastic items break down, like bags, bottles, and packaging, they turn into small pieces. Clothes made from synthetic fibers, like polyester, also shed microplastics. Microbeads in face washes and toothpaste are also microplastics, although many countries have banned them. Microplastics are everywhere. They are in our oceans, rivers, soil, and even in the air. They have been found in food, like fish, salt, and honey. They are also in drinking water, both tap water and bottled water. Now, how do these microplastics get into our bodies? We can eat them through food. We can drink them in water. And we can even breathe them in from the air. Some studies have also found microplastics in human blood. What happens when microplastics enter our body? That is still being studied. But scientists are concerned. Microplastics can cause inflammation and stress in our cells. They may carry harmful chemicals like pesticide and heavy metals. These chemicals can attach to plastic and enter our body. Microplastics may also disturb our hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers in our body. They control many important functions like growth, mood, and reproduction. Some plastics release substances called endocrine disruptors. These can block hormones and confuse our body's natural balance. Some studies suggest that microplastics could affect our gut health. They might disturb the balance of good bacteria in our stomach and intestines. This can weaken our immune system and may lead to diseases. People who work in factories that make or recycle plastics may have a higher risk. They can be exposed to large amounts of microplastic dust. This may lead to breathing problems and lung damage. So, what can we do about this? First, we need more research. We still don't know exactly how harmful microplastics are. But we should not wait for perfect answers. We need to reduce plastic pollution now. You can help by using less plastic. Say no to single-use plastics like straws, bags, and bottles. Choose products with less packaging. Reuse and recycle whenever possible. Support brands and companies that care about our environment. You can also speak up, ask your leaders to make laws that reduce plastic production and improve waste management. Support bans on harmful products like microbeads and plastic foam. Finally, stay informed. Scientists around the world are working hard to understand this issue. The more we learn, the better we can protect our health and our planet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread awareness and work together for a cleaner, healthier future.